up today at 2:30 in the morning because at 3 we're gonna be picked up to climb the most active volcano. So finally the sun has started coming out. It has been freezing for the last 2 hours, but the view is becoming more and more beautiful. It is 7,641 feet, about 2,600 meters, and it doesn't look that high, but we're already in high altitude, so
we are at the base of the volcano getting ready to walk up the last stretch. Double step. Okay. And here we are.
oh man, oh wow.
Waterfalls in one that you can literally walk through, walk under.
Are you happy you bought that poncho?
Yes, I am. The most important thing is that my hair still looks good.